What's going on, guys? Not a super exciting video, but I wanted to make a part 2 of the umbilical hernia video because I got a huge response when I posted that. You know, a lot of people viewed it, surprisingly. So yeah, I figured I'd make a quick video about how it feels now that it's been like 4 or 5 months since I got it, how it is lifting with it, and also how I got it. I got into a little bit of detail in my last video how I got it, but really get into it because I just said I got it during the leg day. But yeah, guys, it feels fine. Basically, I haven't really got it checked out. I went to a urgent care doctor for something else, and I asked her about it, and she didn't act like it was a big deal. She said, "Oh, you should get it checked out," but she wasn't like, "Oh my God, you really." So no, I haven't got it checked out yet. But lifting is fine. I don't even feel it. Sometimes it'll pop out a little bit, and I'll just push it back in. You can't see it or anything like that. Sometimes I will feel a bit of pressure right there when I'm doing leg press. So if I'm doing leg press, especially heavy, there'll be some pressure right there, but it doesn't, nothing too crazy. But I want to talk about how I got it. That's the main reason why I wanted to make this video, because I didn't get into detail in my last video. So basically, I lived at this gym, and there's a lot of power lifters there as well. And I always see those guys holding their breath on their squats. You can get a lot more pressure, that way throughout the body. So basically, I would see these guys, I don't know if it was subconsciously or consciously, I started to do that. I started to hold my breath on my squats, and I really think that was the reason why I got my umbilical hernia. I would take a big breath in, squat, and I just had the best leg day when I got my umbilical hernia. So I think that's how I got it. So definitely, guys, be careful. Don't hold your breath on squats or deadlifts or anything like that. I never used to do that in the past. For some reason, I just started doing it, and I'm paying the consequences for it. So definitely just have steady breathing when you're doing your squats. But yeah, guys. So a lot has changed since my last video. I moved to an awesome place, so much better than my apartment. And I do have a roommate now. He's awesome. And also, I got a puppy. So come here, Shadow. Come here, buddy. Come here. You're not in trouble. So this is Shadow. He's an English Staffy, and he's seriously the best dog. He, I'm sure everyone says that when they have a puppy, but literally, if I were to make like a checklist of everything I want in a dog, it would be this one. He's seriously the best dog, super smart, already potty trained, and everything like that. He's 5 months now, and I thought an English Staffy was gonna be a little bit bigger at 5 months, but this is what almost 25 pounds look like, and he'll only get about from 35 to like 40 pounds. So really doesn't have that much, really that much to go. But yeah, guys, super awesome puppy. And he's super quiet. He never barks. I think that's why they say they're bad guard dogs. But yeah, he's the best. And also, I want to make videos, more videos on my Jeep. I'm going to start doing stuff to that. More videos on Shadow, or a video on Shadow. And of course, I want to do a bunch of videos in the future on fitness. And I'm talking like weekly videos and everything like that. But I've been slacking, guys, so definitely have to get back to it. But thanks for watching. I know it's been a long ass time, but feels good to be filming another YouTube video, and I can't wait to film some more. So like, comment, subscribe, and definitely leave some comments down below of what you guys want to see next time. So we're out. And also, guys, if you're looking to get some dope fitness clothes, head over to Aesthetic Life Assembly. My buddy owns a company, and he's killing it right now with his designs. He makes the shirts tapered in, so they're not too baggy around the waist. They dip down in the front and the back, and I'm wearing their V-neck right now, but their shorts are by far my favorite item. They're super good. They don't go too long, they don't go too short, but you can also pull them up a little bit if you want to show off the quads. And they're super stretchy. So those are my favorite leg day shorts. I'll have the description down below, and use code Rockwell15 to get 50% off. I'm out.